Hello and welcome to Aspire viewers to your Saturday. It's a bright and beautiful sunny day, and today we talk about sticking on to good habits. It must be that several times we take decision like from tomorrow I will start a new habit of learning something, or from tomorrow maybe we wait till first of some month or some auspicious days to start something new, and the initial weeks it's full of energy. The morning you wake up, you go for a walk, or you do whatever you have decided to do. The first week goes smoothly, second week, third week, but the energy is still there. Or maybe you're going on a diet and you are sticking on to the diet, and when somebody offers you something, you say no, and you feel yourself motivated. Yes, I have did it. 3 weeks have gone, 4 weeks have gone. Maybe one day it happens that you couldn't go or do what you have decided to do. Slowly you feel the energy is down. The next day you don't do what you have decided to do. You find some excuse, and then the whole thing stops. And then you again wonder, this time I had decided to do it every day, but then after 3 or 4 weeks you have completely stopped. So does it sound familiar to you? Or it has happened to me quite a few times, with full of energy, with full of motivation, starting something, and then maybe in some weeks time somewhere the motivation fades away. We fall off from the wagon. So if you are a person, then this video is for you. Let's talk about some things which we can be careful, and definitely this will help you to stay on track. Welcome to Aspire Your Saturday. The thing is, bad habits are, or whatever the so-called bad habits are, easier to stick on than the good habits. So the next time when you decide to go for a walk to become more healthier, or try to start learning something new, or going on a diet, whatever it is, just remember these things. Have you ever wondered why we don't have to put much effort in continuing with our unhealthy habits, and it takes so much effort to stick on to healthy ones? Because to stick on to the healthy ones, it needs some effort. It's not easy. For example, waking up in the morning, it's not an easy thing. Your mind will say to you, it's better to lie down, the comfort is better, and we have to resist it and then wake up and go for a walk. So it is easier to succumb to our inner dialogue of comfort, and so we tend to stick on to our unhealthy habits much easier than getting on to good habits. Next time when you start something good, some good habit, remember these things. Check out these points. The first one is not to stop after one bad day. For example, if you are going on a walk and then you have done it for maybe 20 days, and 21st day something happens and you don't go, then the next day don't stop doing what you're doing just because you have missed one day. Don't go for perfectionism, because it's better to do something than to stop completely and going back to square one. So don't take one bad day as an excuse. It happens. The second thing, whenever you start a new habit, take it seriously. Try to find out the reason why you are after all starting it. If it is to get healthier, try to find out why getting healthier is important for you, and remind yourself of that. Then you are sure not to stay off the wagon. Allow yourself reasonable breaks. It happens that one day something unexpected can come, and the habit you could not do it that day, but then that is not the end. Allow yourself for some break. Take some breaks. The third thing is trying to do too much from the first day onwards. For example, if you're going on a walk, don't try to go for 10 kilometers a single day. You get motivated, and then maybe after 3 weeks, if you go even for 1 kilometer, you feel not motivated. Doing things little by little, even if you do for 10 minutes something, at the end of 30 days, it is 300 minutes. So try to start things small and then slowly build up. The fourth thing you can do is, even if you don't find, for example, if you're doing something for 1 hour every day, and one particular day if you don't find 1 hour time, try not to stop it. At least you started, do it for 5-10 minutes and then stop, so that the continuity will not be lost. The last but not the least, try to find out a reason to do than a reason to avoid it. Whenever you're trying to stop that particular habit and finding reason, okay, this was the reason I'm trying to stop it, I have some other engagements, instead of finding reason to stop it, try for reasons or find out reason why you have to continue it. Next time when you're starting something good, remember these points and keep continuing. All the best. Have a great life ahead.